Hello there, I'm a member of the training team, and today I'm going to show you how to configure the radar chart, also called the Practice Health Monitor. You can select what key performance indicators that you want your practice to track in our system, and set your own goals. To set up the practice-wide configuration for the radar chart, click on the round cog here just above the second date range field. As you can see here, you can also set up a personal configuration as well. I'll touch on that later. For now, I'll show you how to set up the practice-wide configuration. Please note, only the physician and office manager roles can set up practice-wide configurations in the radar chart. So click on Practice Config to open the practice configuration window. To determine how to measure your KPIs, fill in a number under the good column based on what your goal for a good month is, and under the bad column, enter a number for what a bad month count would be. Click out of the field when you are done with it. Click in the box to put a check under the Show column. Then, to save your new settings, click on the Save button in the left-hand corner. You should then see the new KPI added to the radar chart. You can also change the colors of the radar chart to suit your tastes. To do that practice-wide, click on the round cog and select Practice Config. Select Configure Colors on the menu here at the top. You can use these drop-downs to select the start date and end date colors, the color of the chart, and the color of the trend charts. Once you've selected your colors, then hit Save. To see your new colors in the chart, just hit the Refresh button to the right of the second date. One last item about the practice-wide configuration. Copy Global Configuration simply takes the radar chart back to the default settings our company selects for all practices starting out. These default settings include KPIs that, generally speaking, every practice should be tracking. Now, individual users can also set up the radar chart to show what KPIs are particularly useful to track in their position. To set up personal preferences, click on the same cog and select Personal Preferences. This view is pretty similar to the practice config. As you can see, it has the same KPIs. Please note that there are no good and bad columns here. You cannot set the numbers to determine your KPIs in this view, because the goals should be set for the practice as a whole rather than each individual deciding their own goals. If you want to change the radar chart back to the practice configuration, then come up here and click on Advanced and then Clear Measures. Now this view will also allow you to copy the current practice configuration by clicking on the button up here that says Copy Current Practice Config. This will make the personal configuration of the user an exact copy of the current practice configuration. However, if the practice changes its configuration, this user's chart will remain the same. Well, that's all there is to this video. We hope you found it helpful, and if you did, go ahead and click like at the bottom of the page. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.